morning, guys. I'm going to vlog today where I'm staying in Palawan. Since last 2 days, I found one good place to stay and very cheap place, which you cannot imagine the price. It's almost 90 reals. It could be like a good place, very calm. I found the place. And this is the administration guide.
Hello, welcome to Lighthouse Apartment.
So it's more lane to get into the apartment. This is the apartment, right?
Yeah, apartment, pension apartment. We have a motorcycle for rent also.
Yeah. And this is the place. So you're renting the scooters also. Do we need license to drive this one here?
Yeah, we have. You need to have your driver's license.
It doesn't matter in my country like
Yeah.
enough?
You have there, you can register also.
How much per day the renting for this?
This one is 600, one is 400, small one.
400 per day.
Anywhere, yeah, per day. But you
Including
have
the
to-
helmets and everything.
Yes, with the full helmet, and but you have to shoulder the gasoline.
Yeah.
It's good
Shall
because
we?
outside that's 600. So.
And this is the entrance. You have a standby generator also.
Yes, we have the standby generator.
It's good. Why usually power cuts here?
Yeah, almost. Last week is 3 times a day. So that we highly recommend that we have a standby generator. This is our small office.
This is the reception.
That's our permits.
Can I
You can bring that. Baka mo naman. Mamaya papakita ko. Pasara.
What are those?
Yes, lighthouse.
This is a permit, something like that.
Yeah. There's a business license to operate.
By the way, I forget your name.
I'm Victor.
Victor. Okay.
Victor Pablico.
So shall we see some rooms? How many total rooms are here?
7.
7 rooms. And this is the place.
But we have to. I'll check first.
Some others for
So
there. The room number C I am staying.
just
Good view here. And the internet connection also so great. I think there are also 2 guests I saw this morning in this room. They have checked out. I think it's arranging this room to show. It's okay, just vlog. So every room have a small kitchen, huh?
yeah. Just first fix this one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Just check out them, right? Today.
Yeah.
Oh, smoking.
We have a small also cabinet here outside. Here our comfort room is a deck also.
So usually how much the default charges of this like
1,000 only.
this? 1,000 pesos per night.
Per night. It's cheap, very cheap compared to. We have small also, but it's just like small size.
Ah, okay. Good for the backpackers.
Yeah.
There's upstairs also.
Up. Then only.
Oh,
Called also.
people are living now.
But they're staying. We cannot open the.
They're staying, huh?
Yeah.
It's a big room or small
Door.
room?
They have 2 rooms there.
Inside?
Inside, yeah.
It's a nice view. To the beach is very near, right? It's very near, not much far, huh?
The beach is there, and the bivouac is over there. That's only a 5 minutes walk. Near to the part of the city. You see all the we have our small living room and then 2 rooms there.
Yeah, I think this already occupied,
Yeah,
right?
right now. We have a Chinese. Yes.
Okay. You can make a barbecue here, no?
Yeah, you can cook here. That's part of the.
So this is just for outdoor. This one for outdoor.
Outdoor only. And then there's small also there.
Total how many rooms? 7, huh?
2 rooms here.
Hmm.
They have their own fridge, refrigerator.
How much this room?
2,500
2,500 per night.
per night.
Any breakfast you issue?
No, they just cook. And then we have 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms also.
Okay, it's a big one.
Deluxe room.
Because I found this one in the booking.com. I was stay before Isabel Avenue.
Yeah.
I was staying there. I paid 2,000
Oh, a night.
per night.
Per night. How big?
It's a very big room.
A big room.
It's arranged by my tour plan guy who arranged.
Anyway, here we can give you a discount if you want. 2,000.
Like that also. Huh?
Use this. We also give 50% discount for long-term stay.
Long-term stay.
Long-term stay. Weekly plus 40% and monthly is 50%. So
Some people are staying monthly.
yeah. We have Korean guests and from London also. They stay for 2 months here.
So they will go around this Palawan island everywhere. Huh?
Yeah, almost every 2 days they left and then they go here. The good thing here is we are near the city.
Near the city, that's
Yeah.
why. Easy to access to the airport.
Easily. Yeah.
And anytime we can get the tricycles.
Yes, anytime. Just
So many tricycles move.
15 minutes from the main road.
Yeah.
15 meters.
Nice view. Since how long this one you started?
We just started last December. So
Since December.
This is December only.
Last year.
So 1 year. Almost 1 year.
Washing
We have
machine
also
also.
our washing machine, the one. And we have our power booster for the water. We have big tanks there up, and we have 2 down to supply all the water. And we have also our own generator and water system backup depot. In case of failure by water district, we have our second option.
Because when I search, this is the cheap price, good place. What I found, I just search in the booking.com. No,
Yeah.
this is the only place I found in the cheapest place. Because most of the foreigners, no, they just want to have a small place, good place, clean
Yeah.
place to sleep. They always go around in the daytime and rounding and
Yes, yes.
tourism, visiting the beautiful places. Okay.
Thank you.
See you again. I'll be checked out tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Usually I can manage to send the Arabs only because I'm living in Doha.
What's the month that they are coming?
This is the month.
This is the month.
Because in now it's there too hot, too much hot. It's going up to near to 60 the temperature.
Really?
Yeah.
So you can recommend also.
Yeah, that's why usually I have a tour plans to Sri Lanka. I'm originally from Sri Lanka,
Sri Lanka.
but I live in Doha since 2006, 13 years with my family. I'm staying there.
In what country?
Doha,
Do.
Doha, Qatar. You know Doha, Qatar, right?
Qatar.
Yeah.
Qatar, part of Qatar.
Yeah. So since
That's open city also.
yeah,
Oh, open city. Qatar.
it's near to the Saudi Arabia
Yes.
and Dubai.
Yeah. Dubai also is open city.
Yeah.
Saudi is not
No.
very strict.
Very strict. Qatar also strict, but
Strict.
now in 2020 they have a 22 FIFA World Cup football.
Football. Yeah.
World Cup
diba?
is in Doha, Qatar.
Oh.
So many Arabs are they coming to Philippines. I know. Usually I have a tour plans to Sri Lanka. I'm sending Arabs people to Sri Lanka.
Okay.
So this is the first time I'm visiting Philippines to do my traveling blogger.
And I'm also a real estate agent. I sell lands,
Here?
beaches, yes, in Palawan only.
Uh-huh.
Lands, beaches, islands. If you have, I'll give you my email.
Yeah,
So
give
that
me
you
your
can
business card.
contact. Yeah.
And you have a Facebook page, right?
Yeah.
You have a Facebook page. Facebook page.
Yeah.
So just give me a business card.
Yes. So that I can send you all the beaches available. You know also foreigners who will buy lands, they have a 60-40 agreement. You know, purchasing, but you can use corporations so that the whole.
Yeah, I have friends here.
Yeah.
Usually we cannot buy land here, right?
Yeah.
Since
You
we
have
are-
a business partner, Filipino partner.
Ah.
But you have to have a memorandum of agreement that this land is yours, but you can use also a Filipino partner. So that, that's,
Palawan good for the tourism industry.
yeah. We have one international airport, and San Vicente is right now opening also an airport, and El Nido is private. All in all, we have plans of making 5 airports so that the link between from Malaysia down to the south.
So any place from Puerto Princesa airport to go to El Nido, any domestic flights are there? Or we have to pay for extra because it's a private airport, right?
From Puerto to El
Because
Nido, we
6
have a
hours
private
journey. Yeah, I went by van.
van.
Too hard.
Yes,
6
yeah.
hours.
6 hours.
Yeah.
That's why when you ride private airplane, that's also a passenger airplane commercial with 60 seaters. That's only 2,000
Pesos only.
pesos
Up
from
and
here
down.
to El Nido. Pesos.
One way or up?
One way.
One way, yeah.
But that's 30 minutes only. 30 to 45
Yeah, that's
you're
why
already there.
too much
Too
saving
much, yeah.
time.
So the van is 600, so you must add 1,400. So the trip is
Yeah, so
easy.
instead of spending time in the
Yes.
road, we can watch some other places and saving time.
Yeah. Same also with Coron. Coron is a good place also.
Actually, I was planning to go Coron.
Yeah.
The day I came August 2nd to here, into Manila.
But it's good. It's if
The
you
problem
want-
is due to the bad weather, Skyjet flight is cancelled.
Yeah.
So I
Plastic.
lost the plan.
Yeah.
They give me a back date, the next dates on 6th,
6.
which I already need to be going to Buffalo. I came here in August 2nd.
Yeah.
Then I was planning to go in Coron and stay one night, but unfortunately due to the bad weather, flight was get cancelled. Then I went to Buffalo, then Iloilo
Yeah.
in Lacaun Island. Lacaun?
Lacaun.
Yeah, I went Lacaun.
What about Boracay? That's near to the.
Yeah,
Have you been there?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Boracay. Then from Boracay I came Cebu, Bohol, Chocolate Hills,
Yeah.
and then I came to here in Palawan.
That's in your traveling. That's all yours. Your expenses, all throughout yours.
Yeah, it's all my expense, my own expense.
What's your aside from that? What's your private job? Your,
Usually I am in IT field, information technology, in my place where I'm working.
Information technology.
Yeah, but due to that I am doing the web designing for the tourism people.
Oh, really?
And the web hosting, mail providing, and remote support to the other companies
Yeah.
like India, Dubai. Even though I'm staying in Qatar, I'm helping to the
Yeah. Online.
solutions.
That's good. We have also
And
the one that is staying
arranging
here.
the parties, cooking parties.
Yeah.
Because I have my own cooking channel.
Cooking. That's good. We can greet you
So
there.
many your Kabayan there in Doha.
Oh.
They're the one recommend me to go here.
Mm.
Okay.
You have also you are maintaining a restaurant or big.
No,
or just
actually,
a-
it's usually if any function is there, I have a big kitchen in my home, so I cook and I give the with the buffet trays and everything. I go and settle like a small birthday parties. Like
Yeah.
it's for fun I am doing because I don't have much profit on that. I have profit on my job in the information technology. That's one as a fun I am doing that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you. I will send
Salamat.
you. Yeah. I will send you the blogger link to you in YouTube. Just if you
Okay,
give me
just,
your
give me.
business card.
Okay.
Okay. See you.
Thank you.
I just vlog little.
Oh yeah, it does.
Ngayong anong isda. May lamayo.
We call that
They are bringing from the outside. Every
Yes.
home they are going.
outside the market. They're traveling store. Fish vendor. Traveling fish vendor.
It's today one. Early in the morning. They,
Yeah, in the morning. Every morning they go on traveling, bring some foods, all kinds of seafoods here, Palawan seafoods. This one also is dried one,
Dry fish. Oh yeah.
dried fish, fresh fish. This one is
Crabs.
What is this?
Crabs.
Crabs, yeah.
Yeah.
What crabs? Masak. They have vegetables, fish, and others. So we just cook when buy.
They are buying from somewhere and keep a small
Yes,
profit and bring it, no?
They just get that there, and then when they sell that,